2 days ago, I dropped a video saying that I am better than Hamza. The next day, Hamza has said that he's quitting YouTube. Hey, okay, jokes aside, this is obviously an end of an era. Hamza is no longer a YouTuber, and as one of the million people that he has gotten onto self-improvement, I got some things to say. First of all, I have to say this. Now that there is gonna be no more daily Hamza videos, you are gonna need a new self-improvement channel that is going to help you grow. So I got you. I'm gonna make a new video for you every single day, and it's gonna be quality self-improvement advice. So if that sounds good for you, you can scroll down and hit subscribe so we can grow together. I would be very happy to have you here. As Hamza said in his last video,
I don't see it as the end. I see it as a new beginning.
okay, now that we got that out of the way, I want to talk about Hamza. The influence that he has had on these million people has been incredibly inspiring. He has done amazing work and he has changed so many lives, even though many people might downplay what he has done and many people don't understand what he has done. Because if I say that Hamza has changed my life, other people will downplay what I said. I and you probably know very well how much influence Hamza has had on us. Therefore, the message of self-improvement that Hamza has now stopped spreading is still gonna be spread. Not only by me, but also by countless self-improvement channels that are also inspired by Hamza. So thank you, Hamza, for all of the lives that you have changed, including mine. I'm gonna keep on spreading the message of self-improvement. And I also want to say that I completely understand your decision. I think it's the right move, and I can't wait to see these long-form videos that you're gonna upload from now on. So to everyone watching who is like a Hamza fan, let's not be too emotional about this, because I don't think Hamza would want us to be too emotional. As he said, this is a new beginning, and it's a good new beginning, so let's be excited for that. Also, as I said already, if you want to have my channel be the next self-improvement channel that will help you grow, you can scroll down and hit subscribe. If you want to watch another one of my videos straight away, you can watch this one. And that's all I had to say. Thanks for watching, stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.